Good morning, everyone. We are from 12 Travel Service 1A, and we will present our hotel business conceptualization. Our hotel is called Flanor Hotel. About us, Flanor Hotel is a luxury five-star hotel privately owned by Johanna Vinis Logroño, located in Osmeña Boulevard, Cebu City, Philippines. It has 9 floors with a height of 360 feet. The hotel offers 24-hour security and concierge. There's also outside catering services for events, a private dining room especially for family events, also for business meeting or party. A spa, gym, and mini bar inside the hotel awaits the guest. Express laundry service is also available for guests. The world-class facilities we bring to the city where our brand is present provide an unforgettable package, a diverse and complete entertainment system that will attract local, regional, and international visitors. We provide unparalleled service, comfort, and style while creating meaningful and memorable experiences. We have 474 rooms and suites with 9 room types. These are the superior room, deluxe room, junior suite, executive suite, deluxe suite, family room, residential suite, conference room, and function room. We also have room packages. We have 4. These are the book early package, senior discount, birthday celebrant, and the wedding package. Next is our vision, mission, objectives, and our core values. So our vision is exceptional and personalized service, exceeding expectations, and inspiring a connection to our brand and the experiences we provide. Provide a memorable experience to all our customers in every aspect of their stay. Our mission is we are preferred destination of choice, offering professional, personalized, flexible hospitality and service to the discerning business and leisure. Our objective is to give the best service to the clients and have customer satisfaction that they need. Offer best deals, promos, and prices in our hotel. And our course, we are professional, passionate, caring, understanding, and empowering company that encourages innovation and engagement. Next is our general policy. We have 10. First is tariff. Second is settlement of bills. Third is company's on guests, luggage, and belongings. Fourth is the check-in. 5, departure. 6, luggage storage. 7, guest belongings. 8 is about pets. 9 is hazardous goods, and 10 is damage to property. Next is our general structure. This is our general structure. Our general and the executive assistant manager is Hezekiah Magadan, and the head of the personnel is Gwyneth Sugong, and marketing and sales is Catherine Ihara, and in purchasing is Arjun Hingoyon. Next, operation procedures. It will be discussed by Catherine Ihara. Hi. Our next is job description.
Job descriptions and job overview, general manager allocating budget resources, formulating policies, coordinating business operations, monitoring and motivating staff. The best general manager staff people well and expect them to make positive contributions. This manager is responsible for controlling and overseeing the entire organization's responsibilities and duties. Accomplishes department objectives by managing staff, maintains staff by recruiting, selecting, orienting, and training employees, establishes strategic goals by gathering pertinent business, defines, develops personal growth opportunities, accomplishes financial objectives, customer service standards, and analyzing and resolving quality and customer service problems. Educational level, college graduate and master's in business administration degree. Experience, help the guests make a reservation over the phone and imputed online reservation. Responsible for activity, collaboration, time management, leadership, and strategic planning. Personal characteristics is patience, disciplined, open-minded, and smart. Next is the Executive Assistant Manager. Report to General Manager. Job overview. Executive Assistant Manager. Role handling correspondence directed to managers. It will organizing meetings and booking meeting rooms and also making travel arrangements and detailed travel itineraries. Responsibilities and duties. Assist the general manager in his day-to-day operations, act as the hotel public relations director and promotes the property within the hotel industry, receives and revolve or assists the general manager, adheres all franchise and company procedures, builds owner loyalty through proactive communications, corporate client handling and take part in new client acquisition, respond to adults to ensure continual improvement and achieve. Educational level, college graduate and bachelor degree. Experience, administrative assistant and office works. Skills are communications, organizational, strong interpersonal. Next is personal characteristics, professionalism, and fast learner. Next is personnel. Report to Executive Assistant Manager. Job overview. Personal department hire and train employees, implement company policies and procedures. Responsibilities and duties. Ensure to handle HR-related issues, manage all employees of organization, prepare and direct and coordinate methods, recruit and provide orientation to new team members, provide employees with suitable training, handle all issues and problems associated with organizational personnel, and ensure entire contracts and paperwork are completed as well as returned correctly and on time. Educational experience, supervisor role. Skills are leadership, organizational, communication, writing or paperwork, and good customer service. Personal characteristics, patience, understanding, and motivational. Next is accounting. Report to Executive Assistant Manager. Job overview. Financial accounting is responsible for preparing the organization's financial statement, including the income statement. Responsibilities and duties. Producing an accurate set of month-end accounts, preparing profit and loss accounts and the balance, reconciling bank statements, chasing late payments, reporting bad debts and keeping careful eye on the cash flow, and controlling the payroll. Educational level, college graduate and bachelor degree in accounting. Experience, cashier or teller, financial planner, accountant, and real estate agent. Skills, analytical, critical, and team management. Next, personal characteristics are accurate, honest, and trustworthy. Next is marketing and sales. Report to assistant manager. Job overview. Demonstrate products and services as deemed necessary by clients and management. Responsibilities and duties. Engage in superior customer service by making information readily available. Persist in sales even in the face of failure. Makes product knowledge readability. Searches client base to find new types. Creates a plan for gaining customers. Analyze and create a plan for engaging a target market. And demonstrate superior time management skills and meet sales deadlines. Educational level, college graduate and bachelor degree in business marketing or business administration. Skills, planning, advertising, and merchandising. Last is personal characteristics, critical thinker, patience, and non-stop.
Next is engineering. Report to assistant manager. Job overview. Engineering don't just work with machines, designs, and electronics. They use maths and science to provide innovation and invention that shape our society and improve the way we live and work. Engineering has a good judgment on what matters most at any time. Responsibilities and duties. Preventive maintenance program. Any emergency procedures. All guest requests are given priority. Monitor any internal or third-party vendor maintenance jobs, building structures, hotel facility management system operation. Educational level, college graduate, bachelor's degree in engineering. Experience, civil engineering, site engineering, assistant engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering. Skills, teamwork, innovative, pressure management. Personal characteristic, patience, attentive, understanding. And lastly, purchasing. Report to assistant manager. Job overview. Purchasing is the process a business or organization uses to acquire goods or services to accomplish its goals. Although there are several organizations that attempt to set standards in purchasing processes can vary greatly between organizations. Responsibilities and duties. Research potential vendors. Compare and evaluate offers from suppliers. Prepare reports on purchases, including cost analysis. Coordinate with warehouse staff to ensure proper storage. Monitor stock levels and place orders as needed. Maintain updated records of purchased products, delivery information, and invoices. Educational level. College graduate, bachelor degree in business ad finance or supply chain management. Experience, supply chain logistics, commodity officer, procurement office. Skills, communication, listening, manage risk. Personal characteristics, attentive, positive vibes, accurate. Standard operating procedures. First is the pre-arrival stage activities. Reservation, selection of hotel by guests, contacting the selected hotel by guest, receiving of reservation, confirming or denying a reservation, notifying of any special arrangements on arrival such as wheelchair airport transfer, accepting any advance deposit and opening a guest account. Pre-registration, creating the registration card, assigning the guest room, establishing the guests, checking and updating. Arrival stage activities, prior to arrival day. Guest reservation should be checked at least once a day before the arrival. Confirmation of booking. Ensure that all information required for the guest is placed in PMS. Sending booking information to the guest, a reminder with links for the value-added services or upgrades. Relevant departments should be coordinated well. Day of arrival. Check the status of all block rooms to ensure that rooms are available upon guest check-in to avoid delays. Prepare all the items needed, verify the documents needed, ensure that the front office area is in good condition all the time. Upon arrival, follow the check-in procedures. Guest registration. The front desk welcomes and greets the guest, verifying the guest's identity. The guest reconfirms his or her wish to stay at the hotel. A signature is a proof of accepting responsibility. The FO creates a registration record of the guest, establishing payment method. The front office staff assigns an accommodation to the guest only when the registration is complete. The reservation staff informs the bellboy to take the guest's luggage. The FO staff gives the key for the room, asks the guest for some special requests. Guest reservation, identifying sources of business. Communicate with the hotel about your reservation and ask questions. Formulate the reservation request and complete the reservation data or record, accepting or denying the reservation based on the availability of rooms. If accepted, the reservation is followed by a notification confirming the blocking of a room or group of rooms. Agreement on the mode of payment. Update the guest before the day of arrival. If any changes on the reservation record must be pulled and updated. If cancelled, the guest must fill up a form and state there is the reason of canceling the reservation. Walk-in guest. Greet the guest warmly. Ask the guest's name if he or she has a reservation. If he or she doesn't have a reservation, fill up the GRC. Offer available discount and promo if any. Repeat and confirm the guest details and room details. Ask for an ID or passport. Ask the guest mode of payment and get necessary deposit. If guest is paying in cash and foreign currency, convert to local currency. Input the guest information, issue room key and other inclusions along the items borrowed. Offer additional assistance and wish the guest a pleasant day. Ask the bellboy to help the guest with his or her luggage. Check-in. Receive or welcome the guest at the reception with a pleasant smile, addressed with appropriate surname. Request for the reservation details. Request for the guest ID card or passport. Verify the information on the registration. Stamp check-in on registration card. Allocation of the room means assigning a vacant and ready. Prepare key card of related room number by entering the arrival. Record guest arrival on the any arrival list. Issue a receipt or cash check and record the payment in guest ledger. Call the bell staff to escort the guest to his or her room. The flowchart of the process of a bell staff escorting a guest from the FO to his or her assigned room. Welcome and give the guest a genuine smile. Offer the guest to carry his or her luggage. Walk a short step ahead of the guest with a distance of 2 feet. Assist the guest to call the lift. Once you reach the room, Open the door for the guest. When the left room opens, gesture with an open palm. Assist the guest to call the lift. Offer further assistance. Wish to a guest doesn't stay. Leave the room and close the door slowly.
Occupancy stage activities. Creating a guest folio. Create a guest folio with the information, guest name, room number, date of arrival and departure, room rate, guest address, and billing instruction to the cashier. After successful registration, a guest folio is created automatically in hotels. A computerized properly management system or manually. All kind of information related to guest expenditure or loss made by guests will be recorded to handle future legal action from any party. If manual system folio are maintained manually and keep in the folio rack of the front office cash. In computerized system, the folio are kept in the computer and only printed out of the time of the guest checkout. Posting of guest accounts. The posting of the folio is done consecutively in the order of the transaction on a given date. The amount of the money that is payable by the guest to hotel is recorded on the debt column. The amount of money that is collected from the guest through setting his or her bill as well as advance deposit are recorded in the credit column. Track the transaction throughout the guest occupancy. Monitor the guest credit limit. Avoid possibility of any fraud. Organize and report the transaction information. The night audit procedure. Complete the outstanding posting. Reconcile room status. Verify room rates, balance of departmental accounts. Verify no-show reservation. Post room rates and taxes. Prepare reports. Prepare cash for deposit. Clear or back up the system or distribute reports. Departure stage activities. Guest luggage to be brought down quickly and carefully and either placed in storage or loaded in the departure vehicle. Always pick up the phone within 3 rings and follow the hotel's standard telephone greetings. Code the time that the bill attendant will be at the room of the guest. Reconfirm the room number and verify the same with the hotel software. Ask whether you can assist in printing their invoice for checkout. Inquire whether they will be needed at the taxi. Close the phone call. Take a check out tag and proceed to the room. Knock the door. Pick up the luggage from the room. Tag the luggage and guest item with the luggage. Tag if the same is missing. Check for fragile, breakable items. Check all drawers, the cupboard, bed, side table, bathroom, and etc. Luggage to be brought down using the luggage service elevator only and avoid using the guest elevator. The supervisor will check the reception if the bill has been settled. If the bill is pending and the guest has already left, contact the duty manager. Do not call the guest back. Thank the guests for staying with the hotel and bid them farewell. Record the departure details on the departure errand card and hand over to the front desk cashier for signature. Record the departure details in the logbook. Handling complaints, SOPs, and solution. Listen without utmost concern and empathy. Isolate the guest if possible so that other guests would overhear. Stay calm, don't argue with the guest. Be aware of the guest's self-esteem. Show a personal interest in the problem. Try not to use the guest name frequently. Give the guest your undivided attention. Concentrate on the problem, no one placing blame. Do not insult the guest. Take notes. Writing down the key facts save time if someone else must get involved. Also, guests tend to slow down when they see the front desk agent trying to write down the issue. Tell the guest what can be the best done. Offer choices. Don't promise the impossible and don't exceed your authority. Set an approximate time for completion if correction actions. Be specific, but do not underestimate the amount of time it will take to resolve the problem. Monitor the progress of the corrective action. Follow up even if the complaint was resolved by someone else. Contact the guest to ensure that the problem was resolved satisfactorily.
That is the end of presentation. Thank you.